Okay, once the chicken already cooked, okay, then the next thing I want to add in will be the curry seed. Okay, this curry seed is to add in the flavor, okay, the coconut flavor and also the texture to the gravy for the chicken rendang. As I said earlier, it depends on how much of sauce you want. If the sauce is too thick, you can add in some water. If you want it to have more gravy, otherwise you can omit the water. You can see like this one is a little thick, so I'm going to add a bit of water. Okay, once you add in the greasy, it will absorb the water from the paste, from the gravy. It will become slightly thick. Okay, the next thing will be coconut milk. Once you add the coconut milk, you can see the color is slightly different, lighter a bit. Okay, now I'm going to add in the seasoning, salt, MSG, then I have sugar to bring some sweetness, and also the chicken powder, chicken seasoning. Check the taste. Okay, the taste is just good. Okay, well seasoned. Basically, the taste is sweet, creamy, and spicy. So you have full flavor, full flavor here. And the last thing, this is the final ingredient I'm going to add in. This is the fresh kunyit leaf. Okay, cut it into small slices. Then go off the fire, off the switch, the main power, and add in. This one add in last. You don't have to cook it, just only add in. Then the flavor will come out. You can taste the kunyit flavor. This will be my recipe for today, chicken rendang served white rice. Please feel free to try my recipe. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye. Yes, of course, commercial blender has more benefit. It's more powerful, first thing. And then it can control the timer. It has a preset timer. I just can preset 50 seconds. And if I want a shorter, if not longer, it depends on what kind of ingredient I blend. So I can preset the timing, then I can go to do other things. And when I come back, my things will be blended. This is the advantage. And also, it is a very powerful machine. I can use pulse function to control the texture and also the closeness of the ingredient as I need it.